It's pretty full. All bikes are in, all 5 bikes. Shubhu's bike is also here. And I got into the garage because I wanted you guys to hear the Panigale V4's free flow exhaust. So before that, let's just hear the V2. It's going to be a cold start. Neutral, tell me it's neutral. So that's how loud the V2 is on a cold start. And now while that is running, let's start the V4. This is a free flow Acropovic underbelly exhaust. Once I turn this on, you can hardly hear the V2. Neutral, 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 neutral. Crank it up. Like I said, the V2 is hardly audible. This is loud and it is shooting flames as well. Not loud enough, not loud enough. Okay, let this warm up a bit more. Now, let's try to rev this up. See that? Khan pad gaye, Khan phat gaye. Okay, now the main reason why I am at the Panigales is, oh my ears are ringing, is because, so these are stock seats and we wanted them to be more special. So we are changing the top cushion or the top fabric and get a gel padding inside this as well, just for a bit more comfort. That's about it. So there are 2 screws here, that and that. If you remove this, the entire seat comes off. There it goes. Let's place it here. And for the V4, it's the same thing as well. You can see it is more thin than the V2, the seat. This is slightly more cushioned compared to the V4. Now, there are no more seats on these. I don't want to leave them like this because of dirt. Unfortunate events like rats also, they might come and attract. So we'll cover them with these. So this goes here, this goes here, and you come here just in 5 minutes. Okay, while these things cool down, the other day Ruxton fell. It fell here itself. There are 3-4 scuff scratches on the bike. One is here on the exhaust. Second one is this mirrors which is slightly bent. And third one is this lever which is broken. Basically, we were parking the bike and we pushed the bike a little bit and the stand came off. The bike fell on the left. Can't help it, but yeah, the lever is not that expensive. We can get an aftermarket lever, but for the mirror, I think we have to adjust it because this is the expensive part. Exhaust, that's okay. We can leave it like it. Okay, I think there is a bit of bubble wrap left in the house. Let me see. Okay, that's thermocol. Yep, I see bubble wrap. Let's get it out. Chalo. Okay, I think I'll pack these individually, then I'll pack them together. First goes the V2 seat. Experiment on this. Then a couple of more. Take a second by. Keep it here. Turn. And turn and turn. I think this one more turn probably. That's it, more than enough, right? Fold this, get the tape, Amma. Now get this, fold this, get the tape. So this is done. V2 seat is packed. Let's go for the V4. Okay, now both seats are done. This is V4, this is V2. I think I packed the V4 much better. I got a little more experience packing this than this. So I'll do one thing. This way. I'll do one more round around them, and then we can send them across to Kerala. And then this is done. Oh, that's a lot of bubble wrap. And if you're like me, if you see bubble wraps, it is unethical if you don't pop a bubble. Satisfaction. Chalo whiskey, let's go. Let's go. So address is done. It's the Vandita project and it's going to Chennai, not Kerala. I'm extremely sorry. I think finally now they are cooled down. Chalo. We'll put these on just to protect the bikes and then we'll ship our seats. So for the next couple of days, we can't use the bike because of no seat. Chalo, we'll put this here and this goes here. And we have not uploaded this video, but we've got a new helmet. Check the unboxing of this now. The thing is, it's been super long. We started our bikes. More than that, it's been more than 5 years we own the Truxton and we never changed the tires on this bike. It's been close to 5 years, 5 plus, and the original tires came for close to 16,000 kilometers. There was life left on the tires as well, but it was starting to crack on the sidewalls. Time was due, so we got new tires and also apan karcha to karna padega. We got ourselves a brand new helmet. It's still a debate whether we're going to use this helmet only for the Truxton or it's going to go for the scooter as well.
Yes. So Axor is what the brand is. I've seen this helmet in Dynamic Riders a long time ago, but they didn't have this size. This time when I went for the tires, they had this size which fits us. Moving dada. So we finally have picked it up. So Srijan is going to just show you what this is. Yes, we have unboxed it at the showroom itself, but yes, that is the visor. Look at the condition of all the bikes. Yeah, that's dirty. That's because of the rains.
My helmet.
Chalo, let's go out.
Come. My helmet.
Yeah, I know.
That's your helmet, Agastya? Okay.
But I need to keep my bike in. Yeah. Go.
Come here, show me the helmet properly.
Go back. Go back.
Show. Wait. How is it? Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Do you like it? What color is your helmet now?
Brown.
Oh, lovely.
Every part of my bike.
I will do
Part
for.
of my bike is dirty.
Oh my God.
Full dirty.
Is it?
Yeah. Every part of my bike.
Wait.
Arey.
You want to put it here?
Yeah.
Sala, he knows everything, huh? Okay, that's our new helmet. It's leather wrapped basic half face helmet. So we're going to use this on the Truxton for sure because it's going to suit that bike extremely well.
There are actually multiple colors in this. There was a black,
Carbon fiber.
there's carbon fiber, and ye pakka girayega. So what do you think? Let's remove this visor and put the bubble.
Is it? I think it looks cool like that itself. Sit on the Truxton. Let's see.
And my helmet.
1 second. Baba will try your helmet and he'll give it to you, okay?
Can I sit on your bike?
But my bike is too big and full.
Even I am big. Can I sit on your bike? Okay.
My bike.
Do you think I can pull you?
Oh.
It's not pulling my weight.
So yeah, just let's have a look on the Truxton. How does it look?
So it started raining again and we need to be really quick. So yes, I got this helmet from Dynamic Riders for close to 5,000 rupees. There are multiple colors in this particular helmet. These two bikes have been lying in the garage from
Half naked.
without any seat from past 1.5 weeks now. And finally we received our package. Those are the seats for both the Panigales. They will look killer.
Drum rolls.
Cushion just first buy me.
Ade.
Waste foam, huh? Yeah, waste foam. Done?
That goes. There's a lot of foam. Okay, this is both the seats for both the bikes. Bro, too much of packing here. It's good. Packing is good.
They went safe, they came back safe.
Yes. And the best part is there's another package inside. Which one first?
We'll remove the V4 first. That's the V4 seat, if I'm not wrong.
No change, right? Susan is blank.
Actually, I believe that. Is that a rain cover?
Yes.
Wow, it's snug. Ooh.
That looks so neat.
nice, dude.
That looks so neat with the red stitching.
They've increased the foam as well.
Yeah.
No? It'll be more softer. We can ride this bike for a longer period of time.
One doubt, will Shubham be able to reach now?
He won't reach any bike.
Shubham will kill me. Shubhuga! Dude.
नहीं 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 उसका वो स्क्रू निकालना पड़ेगा.
Jiska?
The two screws there.
E-bike?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, no?
Which goes there.
It goes where?
There. You keep it there. Remove the V2 seat.
Holy cows. Oh, it's that complicated to remove the seat? V2 also same, huh?
Huh.
Oh yeah, the screw, huh? Ta-da! This will look a little different to that one. Drum rolls again, drum rolls.
The Italian flag looks neat.
Wait.
Woohoo! Yeah! Sorry, Shubham, I like this more than that.
It's almost the same thing, but yeah,
The stitching is slightly different.
different in the design of the stitching we've made, and we've got the Italian flag on this, and it's not there on this. That's the basic difference. But yes, well, the seats on these babies are back now. We can take these as well for a ride. They actually look soft. They feel soft. Now you can ride this much longer, much longer. Time for the toolbox.
Oh, yeah.
Difference?
Difference, a lot of difference. Nice, nice. I mean, obviously the position will not be nice, but at least the seat cushion is pretty decent.
With more padding, it will become a little more aggressive because
Yeah, obviously you'll be bent a little more,
Yeah.
right?
So, how does this new seat look?
The reason we still did not get the rear seat done, I mean, initially what I thought I wanted this line, as you can see, to be stitched in red. The reason we didn't get that done is because we planned to get a rear cowl and make
Similar
it a
to
single
that in white color, eventually.
So-
because anyway, nobody can sit on this. It is
super hard.
super hard. Two, it
and-
is uncomfortable, and it is dangerous because the power which it produces. It is definitely taller.
Let me get the gate for you. Go, go, go.
Most important, remember side stand, boys, side stand. First, remove it. We've dropped enough bikes because of side stand.
Ah,
Namaskaram.
namaste. This bike with the accessories looks insanely crazy.
Almost complete, huh? The entire bike.
Like-
This one.
The three parts which I want. Yeah, I want that GP tank. I want the rear cowl, and
Third.
I want these two to be full solid stainless steel. I'm sorry, CNC cut reservoirs, red ones.
बहुत पैसा है इसके पास.
No exhaust.
Yes, this is loud enough for us.